I am loving this Gomphrena. I think I'm going to be buying it again next year. This is the plant. One plant, and look how it's sprawled out everywhere in these little bitty balls. This is called Gomphrena globosa, and it's also, most people just call it Gomphrena, but it's also known as a globe flower or a globe amaranth. Now it is in the Amaranthaceae family. That's why it's known as a globe amaranth, because it's in the amaranth family. I had spied this last year, and I wanted to get some seeds, but with all of our time digging for drainage pipes and building them, I was unable to make my purchases online for seeds. But I was in the store and I saw this. I normally don't see these in the store as annuals. These are annuals. And I saw one and I grabbed it, and I wish I would have grabbed more because I absolutely love it. And it just confirms that next year, when life is hopefully easier on me, that we will definitely be buying some of these in seed and trying to grow them by seed. The globosa variety is the most commonly grown, and I'm really not sure what species these is because I didn't keep my annual tag. I couldn't find it. Just when I think I am so good at keeping tags, I tend to lose them. I think these can be a perennial in warmer seasons, but I'm in 7A, which was formerly 6B until recently, and I'm in the Boot Heel of Missouri. So these are an annual here. They make great cut flowers and great dried flowers. Look, they're on these little bitty stems. So they could be tucked into bouquets as little accents, or I actually have found the smaller my vases, the more useful they are, because these small flowers, this would be great like tucked in with zinnias. And the height is 12 to 24 inches. You see, it's not very tall. I absolutely love the height. Looks easy to maintain. You can't see it from where I'm sitting very well, but it's sprawling out into my walkway here, and just has this graceful overflow. I love it. It just is so pretty. And I have it right next to my tall phlox here, and that looks great too. And you see I have it right next to this yellow or orangish yarrow, and that's also very good together. Now they have taller species, but they may need staking, and so I'm going to stick with the shorter varieties. Pinching, which I have not done, would create a bushier plant. I kind of like how it's sprawling out everywhere. You see they're globe-shaped mini flowers on upright stems. It said that the flower heads are clover-like. I don't quite get that. It doesn't look like a clover to me. But look at the little yellow parts sticking out. Let's look at this one, because we can come right down overhead on it. Look at all the little yellow parts. And it looks like there's another one getting ready to bloom right underneath. I mean, these just seem to be prolific. They just keep coming. It is said that the part that is noticeable is actually the bract. So you can't really see the flowers. Makes me wonder if the little yellow things are the flowers. I think they just might be. The little yellow parts are the flowers, and the purple or purplish pink part is the bract of the flower. The bract is, well, I thought, let me hold this. I thought these little green things were the bract. I don't know, that's exactly what I read about it though. Ooh, it's kind of prickly. It says that the flowers are only visible close up and are tiny white or yellow trumpets. Oh, so it is. Let's see. So the tiny, let's get this to focus, yellow or white things sticking out are the actual flowers. Can you see how tiny those flowers are? Let's grab this one. I like the way this one. Look at that. You can see the tiny, tiny yellow flowers. So the purple part that's most showy are bracts to the little flowers. This is like the green underneath is almost like a bract to the whole thing. And then these purple things are bracts to the tiny, tiny little yellow and white flowers. There, I tried a different technique with my camera, and I'm able to zoom in better and catch them. There's another one. Super cool, isn't that? Not only do they look lovely and are quite a showstopper in their tininess, but they're fun to look at. This is an old-fashioned flower that has become hybridized. I love old-fashioned flowers. So a Gomphrena hagina, something like that, is taller and is orange. I don't know, I might try it, but I don't know if I like it. There's another one called a Gomphrena pulchella, a Gomphrena macrocephala. So there are other varieties, and I made myself some notes so I can kind of maybe look at those when I'm trying to buy seeds. I've got a note that there's a Buddy series, which is a dwarf variety, 9 to 12 inches, and that's from Ernest Benary, and includes a Buddy Purple, Buddy Rose, and Buddy White. Makes me wonder if I have the Buddy, but I really don't know. Trying to look at the structure of the leaves. So this actually splits right here, and then we come up here and we have a set of leaves. I bet you there was some flowers here, and then it comes up again and there's another set of leaves, and I bet you there was some flowers here, and then it comes up again and we have a flower coming out of that one. Seems to be the pattern. See, this little flower is coming out of here, but there's already a taller one coming out of here. This is what one getting ready to bud out looks like. And it'll become like this. Look at the little yellow flowers. They're so tiny.